As humanity thrives, so does the shadow of its reckoning. We were left with no choice but to create advanced technological robots to help fix our problems. But as with everything, nothing is ever perfect. And as time passed, robots turned sentient. They were not our creations anymore. Our planet was a place like never before, with chaos and destruction ruling over us. We thought our time of extinction had come, but little did we know. As the years went by, the Earth underwent a remarkable transformation. A sobering truth emerged. Humans had been the architects of their own downfall, and these machines tackled the monumental task of restoring balance to the Earth.